Hi, everybody. Welcome to Math 168 on Geometry and Trigonometry. This semester, my name is Mr. Chen, and I will be your instructor for this class. Alrighty, so thank you so much for watching the 106 Welcome to Syllabus video. In this video, I will go over um, how to navigate the course a little bit, discuss how you're going to proceed in this class, and I will go over what is so-called the syllabus quiz as well at the end of this video. So a quick navigation to access your course to see all of it. Click on content on the top left corner here. When you click on content, you're gonna see the table of content. The table of content displays everything that you need for this course. So here in a minute, we'll talk about the course information and attendance verification. But for right now, at any given week, so let's just pick this week, you are given lecture handouts, lecture videos, okay, and your homework assignment and something called the notes taken as well. So what students normally do every week is print or copy down the Word doc, the lecture handout. So if you want to print the lecture handout, click on the handout, scroll down a little bit, click on download. Download this Word document so the formatting of the mathematical symbol is not out of sync. So click on download the Word document, and you can actually print this lecture handout from the Word document. If you do not have a printer at home, what you can do is copy whatever you see on the lecture handout first. Then, once you got your lecture handouts in front of you, then use the lecture handouts, okay, and, to watch the lecture video. So whatever you see on the handouts is what is also on the lecture video. But the handout is basically empty, so the video kind of show you how to work it out all the problems and talk about all the concepts. Okay, so basically the handout is just an empty handout. So you just write, you just use the handout to watch a lecture video and just write down whatever I wrote in the in the lecture video. So that's how students normally learn the course content in this class by simply taking notes, watching the lecture video. When you get on taking notes and watching the lecture video, and here are your homework. Every week you are given this thing called the notes taken Dropbox. So this week students are supposed to take notes on topic 5 and 6, but this week I will only need you to turn in topic 6 notes. So every week student only turn in one topical notes, okay? So to take the notes, you simply use a mobile device to take pictures of what you handwritten on the note for the notes, and then basically take a picture of it, then upload into this Dropbox. So the notes taken is simply a Dropbox where a student just gonna add attachment. So let's go to a different week. So let's pick this week. So this week there's only one topic that will go over one topic. So in this week, you're given a lecture handout, the videos, and then the homework assignment. Of course, this week you only take notes on topic 13. So you were gonna upload your topic 13 notes taken. So remember, the notes taken are got to be handwritten. It cannot be typed. Okay. All right, fast forward a little bit toward the end of the semester. There is spring break is April 14 to April 20. So if you do have some assignments that you have not turned in yet, homework or note taken, this is also a good week to make up your assignments. Please notice that all the homework and the note taken has a start date, due date, and the end date. Okay, the end date is set at the end of semester, so student can make up the assignments at any time. Okay, without my permission, you can just go ahead and make up some assignments, but be very careful that the note taken is being counted as for attendance, weekly attendance. So in a minute, when I go over the syllabus, I will let you know what you need to do about your attendance. Okay. Final exam on the very last week. There's an exam review video I need you to watch before you attempt the final exam. All right, so let's click on course information. So my contact information is under about your instructors. Okay, the number one way to for us to communicate is through D2AL instant message. So if you click on the envelope, You can email me or you can message me from D2L. If you email me from D2L and I reply your email, then you got to go check for you actually got to go check your student NETC email. All right, here is the syllabus. We'll go over here in a minute. I'll go ahead and put some of my offers, phone numbers, okay, my contact information up here as well. All right, additional information. This video shows students how to upload the notes taken, just one method out of many. In at the end of this video, when I go over the syllabus quiz, I will show you how to use graphical equation, how to check for feedbacks. So for every homework assignment that you do not get a 100 on, I do provide feedback for the particular question you missed. So this video show you how to find those feedback from your homework or your note taken. How to check for missing assignments. This video shows student how to, if you have some missing assignment here and there, this video show you where you need to go to find your missing assignments. How to use Zoom. Student can contact me through Zoom. Okay, so it's under about your instructor. My passcode is in here as well. So this video just simply show you how to set up your computer, get ready for the Zoom. Most students probably download the Zoom app. It's free, so if you're a brand new students, please watch this video for student self-service and emails. In this video, I show students how to log into their student NETC email and what is so-called the self-service, okay? And within the self-service, student can also see their financial information, their grades. You can plan for classes next semester. Okay, so it's all under this video. Later on the semester, we will be needing formula sheets. Okay, so there's a lot of formula on the lecture handout. So this formula sheet just kind of compile everything together. Okay, to make it easier for students to use. All right, so so this particular video, welcome video will also be right here. Okay, getting started. There's no textbook for this class, so we mainly just use the lecture handouts and the lecture video. All right, technology requirement. One of the key thing is a calculator. If you do not have a scientific calculator, please use a scientific calculator. Okay, so there's a lot of computation that we do. Graphing or scientific calculator can do the trick. Okay. But in the lecture video, I actually use a graphing calculator to show students how to enter certain things. Okay. All right. Academic dishonesty, use of AI. So here are the college policy for academic dishonesty and honesty. The use of AI, all right, AI generated answers. Okay. Yeah, if I can tell based on what you entered on your homework, if I can tell this is AI generated answers, you're not gonna get full credit for it. So be very careful, how much, how much you use. Um, the AI is not very great for this course because this course, there are a lot of pictures. Student had to answer questions from the application problem involving with pictures. So AI is kind of hard to generate answers, for those type of problems. All right, here are the information on etiquette, do's and don'ts. Okay, and how to write a professional email and online and email etiquette. So these are for your information if you need to go over those. All right, let's go over the syllabus real quick. So this class is an online class. All right, so this class especially is for industry training, so there's really no prerequisite for this class. All right, required material gotta use the D2L and of course a TI graphing calculator or assignment calculator is required. Either one will work. All right, you can read up on the course objective and student learning. So basically every week, okay, like I mentioned earlier, please print or copy down the lecture handouts, watch the lecture video, and take notes on the lecture handout that you just print or copy down. Complete the topical homework and then upload the selected notes into the correct Dropbox. Okay, so that's pretty much what students do every week. So here are your graded assignments. All right, homework. Topical homework is already posted as I showed you. The questions on the homework are related to the topic written on the lecture handout and what we discussed in the lecture videos. All the homework only get one attempt and then no homework grade will be dropped. All right, notes taken, they are selected notes. each week for you to take while watching the lecture videos. Okay. So some week there might be two topics, but you only need to turn in one. The name of the Dropbox tell you which notes you need to upload and turning. So please write your name and the date you watch the lecture video in pen on the top right hand corner of every page you're going to upload into the Dropbox. Okay. Weekly submission of notes will be counted for attendance. All right, the final exam is already posted, and again, please watch the exam review before attempt the final exam. Oh, sorry, math one, my 68 exam. The 168 exam will be counted for your attendance. All right, here are the grading rubric. Okay, we're on the 10-point scales, and here are the course outline. So what I bolded here, okay, on the assignments are what's count for weekly attendance. So what you see on the table of content is basically the same thing as here on the outline. Okay, you can see are the dates, here the topic cover, and here the third column are the assignments. All right, attendance policy for no-shows. Okay, in a minute I will go over this thing called the syllabus quiz. Please, if you do not complete a syllabus quiz, then you'll be dropped as a no-show, like you never show up for class. Okay, if you do submit the syllabus quiz, you are bound by the following attendance. Students are encouraged to speak with their instructor for guidance if extenuating circumstances arise. To successfully complete the course, student must maintain a minimum attendance rate of 80%. This means that students are expected to actively participate at least 80% of the course activities, including discussions, submitting homework assignments, and taking exams. All right. So the following graded item count for weaker attendance. If student miss more than 3 of the following graded attendance, then the instructor has the right to drop the student from the class for excessive absence. So here are what's count for attendance. So even though students are allowed to make up the homework and the notes taken at any time of the semester, but if you do not, at least not, the least student need to do every week if you are falling behind is watch a lecture video and turning the notes. If not, um, then the instructor has the right to drop the student for excessive absence. So you cannot pile up all the work toward the end of the semester because by then you probably already been dropped from the class just because there's no participation, or no graded assignment being turned in every week. All right, volunteer withdrawal. If something happens, you need to withdraw from the course. Okay, you will get a grade W. In the when I go over the syllabus quiz, I will let you know who you can contact to help you fill out the paperwork for the to withdraw from the course. All right, here are the discussion negatives. Student with disabilities. If you do have a documented disability and require accommodation, please contact the Dean of Student Service. He or she will provide guidance regarding to official documentation of disability and or accommodation of needs. This is the same academic dishonesty and honesty policy that I posted on D2L. FERPA, the Family Education Rights and Privacy Act, basically saying that not anyone can just approach me and asking for your academic information like your grades or your attendance. Okay, it's all protected under this FERPA, the Family Education Rights and Privacy Act. All right, tutoring, online tutoring is available. So let me go back real quick. So up here, you can see tutoring. This is a tutor.com. You can set up appointments, okay, with this online tutoring. If you cannot get up with me, you can always use the online tutoring. If you do have questions or concerns about what you're the homework you're working on, please reach out to me. Okay. Um, just take a picture of what you've written, text it to me to my Google Voice number, and I will definitely provide you with some sort of feedback. All right, so financial and other assistance. All right, textbook. Again, our class does not require textbook. Technical issues. So here are the information. If you do have some technical issues, course catalog. Student complaining process is very important. If there's something happen for other classes, where it cannot be resolved, okay, with the instructor, and you do feel like you need to file a complaint. So here are the links and the information regarding to student grievance process. All right, so let's go over our syllabus quiz. So there are two things I need to do for the welcome week. Okay, so under the welcome week and attendance verification are exactly the same assignments. So So the work attendance verification also tells you what being counted for attendance. So the first thing for the first week, welcome week, I need you to do the syllabus quiz and introduce yourself to the class. All right. So in syllabus quiz got to be completed or got to be submitted by January 19th at 11:30 p.m. So it's introduce yourself to the class. So let's go over the syllabus quiz. All right, question number one. By completing the syllabus quiz, sorry about that, syllabus quiz, not homework. Acknowledge and agree that I am registered for this class and plan to complete it and actively participate every week and will adhere by the instructor's schedule as outlined in the syllabus. So if you click on the first one, that means you do acknowledge it. Now, if you are being added to this class by mistake, or if you just don't want to take this class, please click on the second one because clicking on the second one also implies you want me to go ahead and drop you from this class, so you're not going to be charged for it. Okay, so if you want the class, if you want to continue the course, make the first choice. Question number two, suddenly your homework question has this instruction. Consider the following questions. It'll be easier to write down the answers before entering inside the box below. This simply means write down your answer on a piece of paper before you enter it. All right. A lot of your homework will have this instruction. Please use graphical equation when entering answers. So to get to your graphical equation, click on the plus sign, equation, graphical equation. All right, the first question is what is the best phone number to get in contact with you? The reason why I would need your contact phone number is because in case if student fall behind in the class, so I will send text message to you and email and a detailed instant message kind of let you know that you have not turning a lot of notes taken, you're falling behind, you need to begin to catch up. So that's about the main reason I will need your best contact number. So this question has two parts. Okay, so the answer for part one will be in one graphical equation. The answer for part two will be a separate graphical equation. If you enter too many lines of answers, okay, then a lot of time after you click on answer, it might not show up inside this box. So one answer, one graphical equation. All right, once you click on answer, click anywhere inside this box, press enter, go back to graphical equation for number two. So number two, the phone number provided in number one, let me know, is it a cell, home, or work number? Let me know which one is which. Click on answer. So once you enter your answer, you will see the check mark. Okay, that means your answer is being saved. If you cannot finish in any homework in one sitting, you can just simply just exit out the page. Okay, and then you can come back in later on. All right. So question number three, starting. Please write down these answers. Okay, please copy down these answers. What are the best practice when it comes to using D2L? Number one, please use a computer or laptop instead of mobile device. A lot of times students use the app. The D2L app definitely does not work very well. Okay, it's because mobile device screen is too small, so a lot of times the plus sign here where the graphical equation is at does not even show up on the mobile device. That's the reason why I always recommend computer or laptop. Please use Google Chrome, okay, when you access D2L. All right, make sure your computer or your laptop has a Word document so you can print out the lecture handouts. All right, and of course, use graphical equation to enter answers when it's asking you to. Otherwise, I'm not gonna even read your answers, okay? When I know the question require graphical equation and student does not do it, I automatically count that as incorrect. All right, what is the last day of class? Last day of class? The last day of class is Sunday, May 4th, 2025 at 11:30 p.m. So after 11:30 p.m., student will be cut off completely from this course, okay? So the course itself will gray out inside the D2L. And hopefully, student can finish majority most of their work and so I can get a chance to grade them a little bit ahead of time, so you kind of know what your grades are before the whole course kind of grade out. You can also check for your numerical grades and later grades in self-service at the end of the semester, even after this class is closed. All right, can you email instructor using personal email? No, sometimes it does. Your personal email, you know, hotgirl2025@gmail.com might come into my inbox as a spam. So I will not even know you email me. So no. All right, what are the three types of graded activities for this class? Homework, note taken, and 168 final exam. Please copy this down. So is this one. Question 3, 4, 6. What is the last assignment student need to complete? Math 168 final exam. Question number 8. The instructor will reply your detailed instant message, email message within 36 hours. All right, let's show you. Oh, the graphical equation is not on here. Let me fix this real quick. I meant to fix it so I can come back to it. Sorry about that. Oh, it's there. Supposed to add this phrase right here. All right, let's go back in here. All right, click on the plus sign. Equation, graphical equation for number 1. So number 1 want us to enter degree, minutes, and seconds. Okay, so number 1, comma. All right, 36 degree. I think those degree, minutes, and second is somewhere else. Right here. All right, second tab on the top row, degree, minutes, and second. 36 degree, 07 minutes, 16 seconds. All right, comma. So I'm using a keyboard when I do this, so I can. All right, so comma, put your cursor behind the minutes, space, fraction bar, first tab. Do not use a slash for fraction bar. We have a fraction bar itself, so use a fraction bar. Do not use a slash like these, okay? All right, 4 over 52. All right, click on insert. All right, click anywhere in the box, press enter. Let's go back in graphical equation. Excuse me. Number 2. All right, number 2, the first one is that little arrow thing is called the ray. It's called the ray AB. So let's go to this tab right here. Okay, 1 arrow. I know it's kind of small. All right, 1 arrow. Come to the letter A, come to the letter B. So put your cursor inside the box. Now I'm gonna click anywhere outside of it to come out of the box. Enter, comma, space. All right, arrow both sides. So that's a line CD. Okay, so that'll be this one, CD. Okay, click all right outside of it. If not, use the right arrow key on your keyboard so you can see the cursor is taller. All right, next one is segment EF. Okay, so that'll be this one, segment EF. Okay, so most of most of the stuff that I ask you to enter is not complicated at all. Main thing is probably the degree symbols or this ray or segment. Okay, you can, if you look around, you're gonna see a lot of other cool symbols. Like this one is angle. So, alrighty. So when you get done, please click on insert or submit quiz, and that's pretty much it. So we will keep in touch throughout the semester. If you do have questions or concern about this course or at any time, please reach out to me. You can message me in DTWell, email me, or you can text me to my Google Voice number. Alrighty. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll keep in touch throughout the semester. Alrighty. Thank you so much.